walking back to the station to head into Seoul. Unseo station. It's not flash on this end, but it's flash on the other end. Walking all these steps. There's a subway around there. We have major tip station. Okay, we're back at the airport. We're about to go and get our T-Money card so we can go on the subway. So we're about to go on the subway to Seoul station.
It would be like 2 hours.
We used our T-Money card. This thing. And so we're on the all stop to Seoul station, and then we're there for walking to our accommodation. So I'll see you guys when we get on the train. So we've got one more subway station, and then one more train to catch, and that takes us to Itaewon. Going deck to Yochang Park. Itaewon. Okay, so we hopped off the final train. We've made it to our station. Now all we have to do is walk to our accommodation, and I'll show you guys that walk. So please subscribe, like and comment, and hope you enjoy the video. See you guys when we start. They come up this hill quite fast. Okay, we are in Seoul. An area called Itaewon. It feels like New York. There's a Foot Locker on the corner. We're gonna try some kimchi. I want a small piece.
Is that the right time? Is that the one here?
Here we go.
Oh, we could go over here for that.
Kimchi and rice egg.
Open up after 5 p.m. Four out of 5 and triple fries, that's pretty good, isn't it? What's the prices?
Delicious. So we got, what did you get?
Noodles and soup.
You got noodles and soup. I got chicken fried rice with whatever that is, and soup. What'd you get?
Chop suey.
Chop suey, and what did you get?
The Korean ones.
I don't know.
You
What
got
did you tell me?
pork and noodles, I'm pretty sure.
I can't see the pork in it.
And soup, and there's just kimchi in the middle here. We'll eat all this up and review it. So the food was alright. The food was alright. The chicken fried rice was delicious. There was hardly any chicken in it. And now we're walking back up to the place we're staying at, and we're gonna check in. It's got 7 minutes to check in. Got that. Brought it using Korean money. So we're in Itaewon, South Korea. It is in Seoul. We're just looking around the township, around the urban cityscapes. There has been a lot of stairs. Look at all the power lines, shoot.